Welcome to Open Roads Open House at Speedway Harley-Davidson.
In the bike show is gonna be best touring bike. All right, guys. So best touring bike is gonna go to the purple big wheel right here in the front. This category. So it's gonna go to the Pearl Dyna in the back. One in this metric. So it's gonna go to Big Pimpin' right here in the front. Big Pimpin' owner, come on up. All right, guys, so the next category is gonna be Best Original Custom. It's the best custom bike out of everybody here, according to the judges. We're gonna be walking around deliberating on this one, guys, so give us a quick moment. All right, guys, the next one is gonna be Best Original Custom. So this bike right here, honestly, I've never seen one like it. It is custom as hell. We're gonna go with the green and white Sportster right here in the front. It's an 883. Owner of the 883, come on up, guys. So both of you guys in the front are in sound, right? All right. We got a lot of people in the sound competition, so I need everybody to come on up. Start listening to these bikes. We got the gold. I got you 6. Go ahead. You got 30 seconds on the clock. Got the Kawasaki Vulcan. Alright, you got 30 seconds. Love on my shoulder. Alright, next one we got up is the Silver Street Glide. You guys can get a real good picture of what this is. Let's hear it, guy. You got 30 seconds. Send me the info. Driving through the gated residential. Give it up for the white big wheel, guys. Now we got the purple big wheel. You already got 1 trophy. Can you take 2? Calling out tomorrow. Take me for a joyride. All right, next 2 bikes. Do we have the green back there? Green and brown? Or the blue one now? Okay. Big yellow in the back. You got 30 seconds, my friend. Let's go. You guys are going to be my judges on this one.
I'm just trying to get to know ya, get a little closer, baby, post up. I'm in Josie. Baby, you look good.
All right, let's hear it for the white bike. And finally, let's hear it for the yellow.
There are a bunch of bikes that's pulled in so far, and just think about it. These are bikes you typically see in a museum, and they are riding across country from Virginia all the way to California. This is a once-in-a-lifetime experience for some people, and it's just cool to be able to see that these bikes from pre-1933 are still on the road today. How long have some of you had your bikes? Just think about that, and how many miles you've put on them.